What's going on, guys? Clayton coming at you again from Two-Way Direct. So a lot of the new normal these days is that you'll have to be operating wearing a face mask. So today I kind of want to show you how to use a 2-wire while wearing a face mask and maybe some advice when using it. So, I have my mask on, everything's secure. Put the 2-wire on. So what's really great about the 2 wires is the fact that you can actually use this piece and bring the mic up closer to your face. So you'll actually be able to speak much clearer than a lot of other different earpieces. So you'll want to make sure that you use a clear and concise voice when talking. That way the mask isn't going to interrupt any type of communication. Another great thing about the 2-wire, just for cleanliness purposes, is the fact that we actually sell these separately. Just pop it out, and someone else can put their version in. That way you're not cross-contaminating, you're not getting anybody sharing different earpieces. These also come off, so you can actually buy the little ear tips separately as well. That way you can actually have a lot on hand to make sure that everything stays perfectly sanitized during these times. Now, if you want to take a look at these, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893 and let us set your team up with their earpiece needs. We look forward to working with you soon.